Hello viewers, welcome to this new video. Today I will be showing you how to install this Dell multifunction printer on laptop and do scanning over network. So first of all we need to check the IP address of this printer. You can check this printer is connected to our Wi-Fi router on a LAN cable. So now let's check what IP this multifunction printer has got. For that we need to go to menu. Then we will be checking on the network imports and standard network, then standard net setup. Here you can check. First we need to check TCP IP. You can check this printer is enabled DHCP. It means this printer will be getting IP from the router automatically. We now check, will have to check this IP address, what IP it has got from our router. So just keep in mind that we have 192.168.1 and 15 IP. So we will need this IP on the laptop when we will be installing the scanner software. So now we will be going to our laptop and install it on the network. So now we are on our laptop and I will install the scanner software first. Now you can see we have a software here which is called Dell Scan Back. Before installing this scanner and do scanning, we will be installing this software. I will provide the download link in the description of the video. Just agree. You can see, select the components. It's already selected. Dell Scan Back. This is the component. Finish. Okay, the utility has been installed. Now we'll be going to the start and you need to go to Dell folder. Here you can see we have Dell printers, and in the sub menu you can find the scan back utility. So there are a lot of other softwares installed regarding this printer. Now you need to execute this utility. Now we need to press next. Okay, so I have done this before. I will be doing it again. You can see which multifunction printer do you want to use. First time you will not have any IP here. You will be seeing this field blank. Setup. For example, I am going to remove this one. Have removed. Close. Now you can see you will be having this blank field over here. Now let's set up it. Here you need to add the IP address of the printer. We have 192.168.1.15. Where this IP, you can just optionally put some location here. My this is optional. You can write anything here. Attempting to resolve the IP. Now this software will be resolving the IP with the printer if it can connect. So we have successfully resolved the IP. Now just press close. Okay, now we need to go next. Now here you can see what the options we have. Which format best describes the document you want to scan? Frequently, which size we are going to scan is mixed A4. A4 size printing, A4 size we will be scanning mostly. There are other options you can select according to your needs. Okay. Now, in which format you want to have this file after scanning? Just we can select PDF, colors and DPI. This is most commonly used format. Okay, what name do you want to use? This is an option. This option you can write anything here. We can ICS SCA scanning. Okay, now now it's asking where the files will be saved after scanning. What path we have? Documents, images. In the images it will save the new file on this name, new image PDF. Just press next. What it is saying, already exists. I did it before, so I will press yes to overwrite. You can see the enter unique name for this shortcut. We will just keep this name as it is. It will create a shortcut on our desktop. Finish. Okay, now you can see status waiting for file. At this stage it is asking that we need to do intervention on the scanner, on the printer. We need to provide the page and do some steps for secondly, you can see here it has created a shortcut on our desktop. Now I will go to the printer and show you how to do further process. Waiting for file. Okay, let's see. We have this page here. We have a test page. I want to scan this page into the PC. So this is the printer. You can check this screen status here. Just put this page upside in the scanner, and there you can see a status slide. There it says that there is a page in the scanner. So this is the ADF of this printer, automatic document feeder. So you can scan a single page by putting it over the screen, but we will be doing scanning from the ADF. So first put this page over upside and you can see a status LED. Now what the most important step is, you need to go to held jobs. Okay, after that you need to go to profiles. You can see we provided this IC scanning name on our laptop, and this means this scanner is successfully linked to our laptop. So just press this one. Okay, now check. It will now start scanning. You can see. Now we'll be going to our laptop. Okay, I'll show you if the file has come to our laptop. Okay, you can see there was a dialog screen or laptop which is gone because the scanning has been completed. Now let's go to check if the file has been scanned. Go to documents, and what was the folder? Images. Here's the images. Okay, the file name it asked was new image, that it will save the new page on this name. So check, it has saved the file with PDF extension. Now we can see if this it is opened in this browser. You can see it has scanned. Okay, I will repeat this scanning once again. Now for example, if you want to scan a new page, what you will do, just double click this shortcut. It will be saying that it will save this name. You can just press yes or no. If you press this, it will save this on this name, and if you press no, it will ask you to for a name. For example, I will say ICSSCANTEST. So okay, I will it will save new file on this name. Just save. Okay, now it is waiting for scanner intervention. We will repeat, we will go to the scanner and provide the page, and from there we need to select the scan options. Okay, this time I will be scanning a color page. Now let's see, here's a color page. Just put it upside. You can adjust the guides. Okay, now see, when we put the page in the scanner ADF, it has shown an indicator that there is a page. Okay, now let's go to the screen and repeat previous option. Go to held jobs, go to profile. You can see our profile is here. Now select this one. Now it will start scanning. Box has been gone, and now we will be checking if the scanning has been completed. Let's go to the image folder. Here is the file with the new name. You can see the color page has been scanned successfully. So thank you very much.